Covert. This.
Alright.
Semua?
Right.
Oh, we go
Ada sama-sama?
Yep. This is searching everything.
Kusai?
Yep.
Kusai now, sir?
Shine. Shine. Sleeping lady, baby. Alright, where are we going? Wherever you guys want to go.
Alright. My name is Poseidon too, but that's to say I don't even know a word.
I like that name though. I like that name. Nation Proud.
Nation Proud.
Yeah,
Nation. Right. Really love that.
Watch the skies. Hunt down the enemy.
Hey, you want me to grab the ground or something? Oh, somebody's trying to come to my side.
Yeah, go over here.
Oh, you got the ground, bro.
Yep. That's the old spot, yeah?
Holy shit. Bro, I'm dead. Damn.
Be ready. Success means redeployment. Failure means elimination.
Come. We're gonna go in there.
Marami
Damn. Yo.
Right.
No, don't rush it though.
Oh,
Take your time.
atake sih.
Give him the game, man. You careful.
Huh?
Oh my god.
These
Fuck.
fast as fuck. Like you cannot even try to fake him, bro. Well, like, yeah, right here. Ah. Fucking shit. It's okay, it's my first one.
Yeah, warm up.
Mm-hmm. You got a car. This guy's so cool.
Kok?
Hello. Oi. Hah? Up.
Sige, y'all.
Đi ăn đi.
Down.
Iya. Tahi bawai. Terus panggil nafsu. Alamin Sam. Alamin Sam. Hah? Nah, itu bahasa Sam.
There you go.
Hah? Sorry, मैं पुया में कुछ Sorry, मैं पुया में कुछ
Alright, bro. Alright, bro.
Besok dikari-karikan kan. Nih. Ini.
We're headed to the war zone. Get geared
Pakai
up.
nang kudu wah jadi gue film bola tengah dan kontak dia pakai terus terus dia pak.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Kiri ya.
All stations realigned. Enemy
Mana
dropping
nih?
into the AO.
Iya. Iya.
You can see. Get up.
Lahir siya apa nih?
Resurgence. Survive and you
One first truck ke sana.
Yeah, I see you, man. I'm moving in.
Pakai payur nani ki. Pada. Tôi ngangkat lên kèm là đừng dinh nghe mà
What the hell I stole?
tuy nhiên năm đứa cận lên kèm
Enemy UAV overhead. Enemy UAV
Bang à?
online. Target added.
tao mau qua cây giấc mô đi Saya berdiri dulu. Saya berdiri dulu.
Got the bounty on you. I'm gonna try to kill him. Sorry, guys.
Put. Put.
Oh, fuck you. You're on the way.
Nah, kok Kinan mo amin kung ito studi. Kinan mo kung ito studi. Kung ito studi.
Sorry, bro.
Jadi kaya masang kong rin ay. Hmm. Hmm.
Oh!
Abra sa kura-kura rin sa akin amoy na batarin ra. Karena mo sa nyo naman na batarin ra. Inauso.
Where am I looking?
May jangan naik kaki
Oh.
mereka nih kuya kia kirimin
I've been
pemberian pinam.
trying to
Huh?
Back on station. Go get on.
That's what I thought. Ah,
Muriay na away.
I'm so blind.
Ngap. Ini. Apa? Bagi pa yung makan rin,
Uwe.
may po akin like ngano. Kaya mo tanay pa ka pa.
At ang walang kami lalaki.
Awaiting targeting data.
We can buy, no, a little bit more.
What the fuck?
Ay kaya may ako, kaya kapag ba pa mo. Kaya ko kaya kami.
Let me just go and view that.
Kasi maray kami. Hmm?
No, you're not, he's on us.
FOB, danger close. Over. Incoming LT.
Oh,
He's
shit.
down. Hey! Oh shit, this guy's here?
Friendly loadout drop.
Yeah, the bounty's there right now.
Oh no. Third party.
We're gonna go back real quick. Because
Marami ako rin na ako namoy na pagkarin maray na ako.
Target grid struck. No casualties.
Oh. I bet
Ampe maraman pagkarani. Nape-rean wiki. Tudungan.
052 ammo box in the area.
Charlie shot down. We lost the contract.
Eh! Yung bomba eh?
Damn, what the fuck? There's a guy here too. Oh my god. Fuck. Run away, run away.
Para berkeri moria ya arhan. Nasa keri so naman.
Nice, you're back.
Ngame min mam din.
Fuck myself. Hmm? Your daddy's gonna get down. Bitch. What the fuck? Yo. I'm behind this guy. I see that he's going to knock me. Come on, bro. Yes,
Ay sa men. Ay guess ko ba stay my point naman.
I don't even know what's going on and I get shot on too. Disrespectful.
And kill me, man. What the fuck? Come on now, I'm better than. No, sniper. Don't shoot me like I'm. No way.
Clear another target. Timeline.
Pau,
Where's Green from?
ay siyang magkasamiri.
You don't shoot me, fuck.
Kumagang, kumag. Starting to
Nasty partner, I guess. They're here.
Loco. Yeah.
They're on top, on top. Motherfucker on top trying to snipe somebody.
Yes. You said. Woo! Whee! Oh, dude.
Dust yourself off.
Almost.
Back out there.
Sana ba bang pala kita?
Hey, put two.
Ruck up. You're headed to the war zone.
Proud. Proud.
To the AO.
Hey, yo, listen.
Squad mate left the AO. Will reduce your redeployment time. Resurgence. Stay alive.
What happened to Otto?
You gotta pick him up. I think he lagged out. Who's the party leader? You? Yeah, you.
Him.
You now. It is you now.
So, back up.
Alright, let's looking for him. Oh, we're not friends, me and Purple. Oh no, we're friends. It says he's on a researching. What? Foxwell. Yo, what's up, Fox? Right, come here. Peace. Damn. Fucking fuck. Yo, fuck. Meron dun na.
Alright, hook it up. I ain't getting out of one, bro, that round. Not one. Fuck yeah. Holy shit. I also need to get 2 one-shot kills in a single match with my sniper rifle. I always seem to fall short on that, too.
It sounds like those are
What? What? What?
a hotel. Trying to find somewhere that fits like 53
Oh,
people.
fucks.
No fucks. Just skip.
Go to the park and do it for free.
Yeah, but she's pregnant and stuff.
She can't be at the park pregnant?
Yeah. Alright.
Do they know when they're gonna find out what it is?
Yeah, are y'all gonna find out before June 1st? Huh? Right. I mean, I hear you, but I don't understand. So you're not gonna know what the baby is by June 1st? Okay, but yeah, but like, your doctor will be able to tell you by, you know, or tell whoever by then?
What word does not?
I got you.
Definitely be ready.
Last
Okay.
one alive. This feels familiar.
Damn, give me something to write with. I'm assuming.
Yeah, I know, it's weird. Somebody else was saying it wasn't tracking. Like it was a thing, but then like I said, I've also heard that you actually literally have to down them while you're sliding. You got to get the low blow metal. What?
Caitlin was calling us back to give us information that we needed or whatever. Can you ask me the...
Yo, Mop. Oh, feed FTL. 34. Mm. 34. Mm.
Check weapons and gear. We're holding for deployment.
Wait for me, wait for me.
We've got 10 squads active in the field. All bounty targets are KIA. Well done.
Requesting recon above.
Your squad mate is redeploying. Well done. Squad mate back on station. Good work. Your squad mate is redeploying. Well done. You have reinforcements inbound. Back on station. Go get off. Your squad mate is in the safe zone.
Moving to my mark.
Gas is inbound.
Moving.
Squad mate back on station. Good work. Returning you to the front. Earn this. Loadout drop headed your way. You have reinforcements
Moving here.
inbound. Your squad mate went AWOL. Resurgence timer reduced. Enemy UAV overhead.
Can't let you go out like that.
squad mate is redeploying. Well done. Hostile UAV in the area. All squad mates are in the safe zone. You're losing ground. Moving. Enemy soldier incoming. Your squad mates back on station. Good work. Coming to my mark. Deserter left your squad. We'll redeploy you faster to make up for it. Fire sale active. Buy station prices have been reduced. Enemy UAV overhead. Resurgence window is ending. Watch your six. Hostile UAV in the area. Enemy UAV is online. Get to the safe zone. You've got a loadout drop inbound. Fire sale's over. Just inside.
Ready? Okay, ready. Thank you. Please. Milk, Daddy. Okay, thank you.
I hope you friend.
Sketchy.
Hostile UAV in the area.
Daddy, they didn't kill you. I helped you.
Alright.
Be advised, resurgence is no longer active.
Requesting recon above.
Overhead. Gas
Still there, still there. Sketchy. Sketchy, man. Sketchy. This. No, I'm with a party. What the fuck am I doing? Sketchy. Oh, sketchy, baby. What's up?
Out of all the games I played, I was online, I didn't get no kills and I get called.
Ruck up. You're headed to the war zone.
Good morning, sir. Or madam.
Resurgence. Stay alive.
Who the hell thanks? On the doom grid. Going on the 6th line right now.
remaining. We lost that one, but we'll get a W next time.
So the AK-47 is back. Let's get you along.
Murderer Danilo Cavalcante makes a daring escape from prison and flees into the rural town of Poughkeepsie.
The motivation for incarcerated individuals to escape prison is simply really a desire for freedom. Once you've been restrained, contained, controlled, and managed, that doesn't feel good to most people. And so the desire for freedom is huge with individuals, as opposed to accepting consequences. Lots of times ego plays a role. So their ego just
Bạn thấy
This kid is about to get stranded on a desert island with no way home. His name's Mono. He's around 16 years old and he goes to a island in Tonga called Tonga Tapu. And this boarding school just sucks.
This is my
One day,
water.
he and 5 of his friends, they decide they're just gonna leave. I mean, they're all bored as hell. Their boarding school sucks, the cafeteria food is terrible, and they're just dying to get out and go on an adventure. So they get an idea. They want to check out Fiji, which is about 500 miles away from Tonga Tapu. And there's no way they could possibly make it there. But they're gonna give it a shot. So they gather up some basic supplies. They go out and they steal a boat from a local fisherman. Now this local fisherman they steal from, the boys, they think he's kind of an asshole. But we'll get back to him. So anyway, Mono and his 5 friends, they push out to sea on this stolen boat. And they coast away. They're having a good time, and come nighttime, they're all asleep. And hours later, in the middle of the night, kaboom! A huge storm hits, and it wakes them all up. So they get up and they raise the sail, but the wind is so strong that bam, the sail is ripped apart, and then pow, the ship's rudder breaks. And then, hours later, the storm finally passes, and they're all alive, but they're completely lost. And the worst
How
part,
you know
they
that?
don't have any food. I mean, they're able to collect a little rainwater to drink, but otherwise, they got nothing. Slave ships, but that's a whole other story. Regardless, the boys find the remains of one of their settlements, and they discover some loot, including some very old knives.
Hello?
Now these knives are
Mm-hmm.
What's up, bro?
What's up?
I made it.
Sí, está prendido. Give me 1 second.
Diablo, yo no quiero ni jugar, cabrón, con estos mancos,
We
cabrón.
got 2 guys that are chatting, man.
Just change your dated time while it's loading.
Acho, cabrón, yo lo siento por ustedes, pero ustedes se van a llevar el punching back. Les voy a dar bien duro.
Cabrón, me endiabla, cabrón. No podía hacer la hora que estoy sentado aquí y le puedo dar bien duro, ¿no, cabrón? Estaba comiendo, ¿me entiendes? La pizza a los nenes, sirviéndole comida, cabrón. Estaba del agua a la y el cabrón, el delivery driver de ese, cabrón, se paró 5 casas más abajo y venía caminando bien lento, cabrón.
Hardcore search and destroy. Another day in paradise, Black Ops.
Ajá.
Plant the bomb.
Fucking 2,
Bomb
motherfucker.
active. One hostile left. Take that asshole down.
It's 5:45.
He's defusing the bomb.
Hostiles have defused the bomb. We ain't done yet.
Pero es loco, cabrón. Esa gente me va a ganar así, cabrón. Hacho, estoy bien cabronado, cabrón.
Puta cabrón.
Bien cabronado, cabrón. Hacho, papi, estoy bien cabronado.
Hardcore search and destroy.
I took hella shit.
Protect the objective.
Frag.
The enemy's planted the bomb.
Mm-hmm. What we're gonna do, guys? What we're gonna do?
Hardcore search and destroy.
They ain't really that dude, alright.
Guns up, destroy the objective.
Hey!
Not good enough, Black Ops. Find another way. Hardcore search and destroy. You want to clear your name? This is where it happens.
¿Tú vas a hacer?
Enemy device is set. Squad couldn't handle the heat. It's all on you now. Wipe yourself down.
That's cheating, bro. I know exactly where the fuck I am.
Wow. Itu tuh. Wah.
Hardcore search and destroy. Eliminate the objective.
Damn. Mm-hmm. That's why you don't do that.
Find him! End him! Clock's ticking, Black Ops. Bomb dropped. So they knocked you on your ass. So what are you gonna do about it?
He's laying down the floor,
No,
papi.
nadie, cabrón. No quiero. Ey, yo estaba en el floor.
No, you. El que dice el finish, papi, lo cogí, lo levanté
Shut the hell up,
primero, lo cogí ese y después le hice el finish.
Testero.
En el piso, como lo...
Hardcore search and destroy. Dig in and defend the objective.
Hey.
Enemy RCXD detected. I don't believe in fast.
So why?
Get to exfil.
Ah, ya se acabó tan rápido. Ya.
La morlera que yo tengo, cabrón.
Just change your date and time and you can talk. Alright, fuck that. I'm not gonna play with people not talking. Fuck that.
What?
Yo, Devlo, bro.
Yo, pas come out for a thanks, man.
The fuck, nigga?
Boy, time to go play custom, yo.
Alright.
Alright, I'll be there in a minute, bro.
Got one kill in researching ass. Kapag magandang lot here. Talk wrong here. You talk wrong here. Doesn't get to know. Come on, get back here. Nè. Never phone là. Never phone là. Mong for toto. Ja, morgen acho que já. Não posso fazer. Roots, a tala. Mas é o pau na tela. Não dá nada. Eric não. Oh my god, nobody's here right now. Fuck yeah. I've been waiting for you.
You make that. No, stop. Somebody broke it. She's going there. Who's that? Me.
Ada pun filmnya lagi habis dalam.
That's so scary! So I used my bike. I just used my bike. Come on. Me, I have to go with my guy. Bye bye. Hey, stop following her. Stop! Stop it, son! I want to follow you.
Grab, Jaggy. Heads on, searching.
Naman ka. Can researching pero yo be. Sang pero. Sang pero trios.
Hello, trios. History, battle, man.
Okay, I see.
Then you were out the smoke, yeah, man. No doubt. Kaya pa kaya get your mic. Ganda.
Ay, asan niya kayo?
God, termite, maaari may uze. Tola.
3,000. Pagi beza follow up. Wala lot man.
Uy, wala yung kiya, baba lo. Ang galing at alo eh. What the fuck is this? Man, that is nah, upe na eh.
Yeah. Taming man ke player kap sing ani ba beza follow up.
Oh, wait. Kasi sa
Market warfare. Market Call of Duty 3 about termite.
You know what's
Multa
sad?
dentro dos jogos.
Tiene que ser más que el token de Battle Pass.
Like, this
I'd
is
say
pretty
it was
scary.
at 20.
Mark, lost. Kecil kalau yang apa itu?
Trying to get towers in. Fire station.
Secure supply caches to get that target off their back.
That's what we got.
Hmm? Yeah, they kind of lie.
Weapon over here.
What's none there? You're by here.
Come on, yan.
Oh, line up.
Alright, check a light, alright.
Friendly loadout drops on the way.
I'm gonna park that on. He pushed the crowd. Somebody get tower, huh? Yeah.
Udah kakek mati aja biar.
Bang, go bang. Này là những cái gì mà tiến.
That's a good.
86 back.
Starting low.
Come
low with the sniper.
Your squad makes it to the safe zone. Gas is closing in. You kept your squad mate in one piece. Contract complete.
Ai, kung saan na crowd. Yan, Marky dyan. Matolo. Taran. There they are.
I'm gonna go down the Yemen door.
Na-phone na ba biglaan din.
Enemy movement in the AR.
Tuwan ko hindi ka pa nalagan na market din. Hindi ko siya done, mate. out green. One coming out. One is on the bottom. Oh shit. This is oh no, that's a different squad. That's a different squad. Oh no, that's a whole squad. After all that they'll die. Oh my god, yeah. That would be the yeah, I'm grabbing the bounty. He's shooting hard on me. It's right there, 12 o'clock.
Mucho valor, mucho valor.
Usacha, Usacha.
Vai sniper lang ibe.
Enemy here.
Yeah, man, sniper. Just sniper.
How's your nothing? No way, bro. How much he's getting?
Enemy movement.
One down, one down.
Oh! Malu washes there. Các bạn lưu gì đó, nó được.
Nói chứ văn là phải là.
Mà lưu cho xem nó mất gì à, chứ thế. Cái gì mà.
Squad mate has entered the gulag. They'll need to survive to redeploy. Your squad mates in the gulag. If they survive, they redeploy.
Sketchy, goodbye.
Oh.
You will find $600 over there for sure. Alright, I got it.
Squad mates are in the safe zone.
You know what? I'm coming. No.
Stand to you, soldier. Bring the win home.
Fuck, I'm not ghost.
Hostile UAV in the area.
Ah! Son of a gun.
Oh, Yung 95 here.
Dat nga je molla na ga udiya mo itse nga tu bat den in.
Success means redeployment. Failure means elimination.
Woo! Limper ngon sâu Di gaskin ya, nggak gaskin dia lah misi ni. God.
Oh, gua.
Man. Vice lang. Ngan tidak magiging. Nagadunga siya. She got lucky. I don't think it's lucky. Dahil isang researching. Ano na lepushashin ni? Sa sinamat luwa to ni tu. Let ka na mga gumdal sana upianan pat. Like fuck.
Live multiplayer apa ke patah rồi.
Đó là cái nó lần này mà bên ta đi cũng crack. Cái tin na pluja na mi kiểu em there one two. Chill out, Shanti. I see you, son. Sorry.
Me, Artie. Hello, mommy. Me, Artie. Have the car. Hello, mommy. Up there. Mommy.
Use this time for some target practice.
Fuck. Tama ito, pwedeng silot na hindi ba na dito? Alright, corner slide, loft left, light only. You should give a lock, the nigga safety man.
Martial law.
Right. Until I say play, don't yell.
Wait, what then?
You know, I didn't lock up. You know,
Damn, fuck.
Down. Down like a bitch with a shotgun.
Regarde, là kìa. Ủa, c'est gì vậy?
Wie ben jij aan? Yes, de green team soldier score. What that? Ja, ten proper rồi là cá so back in the.
We're returning you to the front.
If I can reach.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Yes, you fucker. Yes.
Enemy soldier incoming. Get ready. Redeploy. Squad's in the safe zone. Got gas moving in. Additional target added while time remains.
Yeah, one on me, bro. Ooh, 3. What the fuck? 3 motherfuckers.
You're getting another job. Weapons free.
You can still get that right.
Ui. Ui, có là kìa.
Ai ra như này. Đang như đâu bak güzel.
Ya diye maç böyle ararlar.
Maçı vannalar lan.
Kaçtı o. Ağladı. Bakın yukarı.
Ja, mit hier aber lang. Ah ja, mit der guten. Ey, wo ist er denn? Oh! Go. Wundervoll Charge.
We've got 10 squads active in the field.
Nhớ rằng ra rồi. Tôi là mà sợ này.
All bounty targets destroyed. Hell of a job.
Chứ bò gì lớn nhỉ? Dia ajuda logo. Me dava daqui só.
You have reinforcements.
Chama do meio. I know character do that again. You need the fuck.
Stand by for redeployment.
Who knows the bird?
Additional target added. Fire sale is active. Fire station moving. Jump. UAV overhead.
Hudson requesting LDBR.
Only 25 left. Keep up the work.
Aguinaldo calling in UAV.
Man, move back from me.
Requesting recon above.
Scratch that. Moving here.
Oh! Indian control.
Requesting recon above.
That was close.
All squad mates are in the safe zone. Gas is moving. Squad mates deployed. Well done.
ADBR ready for launch.
Yep. I'm not below control.
Fire sales over.
Napanalo. Nakipawing cluster again. I'm not with there.
Target grid struck. No casualties. Enemy UAV is online. Resurgence has closed. No more second chance.
Wings here, watch out, watch out, watch out! On top.
Strike rates have been restocked. Load up.
Di ba down lang?
Russian.
Defend, defend, defend. We're good. Medyo lang.
Russian is
Fuck if I... ba't pa party nang...
Moving to my mark.
Closing in.
Dan talaga na siya gadukin lang ngayon. Ay, break bomb ya. Una phone siya. Dan siya ni. Matulog na phone. Pagyan ganit daw.
Mula lang.
Uy, mako. So dan ka. Kalo ka na pa. Ay, kaya pa pa. Ay, mako to. Oh, not that. Lock it there.
Down Luo! Two down, bro. So 3 down now, 3 down.
Wow, what do you want? for it, boy. Come here, bro. There we go at the free.
Torella. I'm gonna roll a random here, man. Yeah, I don't know follow. You are a hero.
Get down, get down.
Oh, one left.
Get down, bro. Get down.
Please, one left na tawag niya, galo. Oh, boom, you can make it, bro. 2-1-1. You're, yeah, you got it. He's on top, watch out. Coming in. Never mind, come again.
La, naman mo na. Papunta ka for 10, so tama for 10.
Alright guys, eating time. Tom, no more game. Tom, eating time first, and then game again. Hang up.
Tell them you're gonna go back.
Tell them it's eating time.
Auntie, we can come back. Goodbye.
Who's are you on? No, I'm not close, huh?
We eating, right? You want that so what?
Hey, no more game. What did I say? Leave. Leave. Hurry. Leave. Right now, I take out game. Spray. Yes, spray. That is good. That is great. Good. Damn it. Try. It's pretty good. Mommy made it. Try. Wait. Your turn.
What?
Rich freedom. And the best part for me is that there's never a dull moment. I always have something to keep me busy.
Oh, my stomach can't even rumble anymore. I haven't eaten in a week. I'm so hungry. How did I, Mikey, get so unlucky in life? I'm poor. I have no family at all. And all I can do is beg for food and money from passers-by. I wish a miracle would happen. I'm so tired of living like this. I would just be given the opportunity to get out of this poverty, and I would be immensely grateful by now. But there are no good people in the world.
2 hours later. Except when I'm alone because I have no friends. But I don't need friends. After all, why do I need friends when I have lots and lots of money? Money is my friend.
I'm so hungry.
No. I just can't pass in a situation like this. I just gotta have fun.
Apparently, I'm gonna starve to death.
Hey, hi, what's your name?
Hi, my name's Mikey.
And my name is JJ. What's up?
JJ, I don't have any money for food. Please help me.
Oh!
I won't stay in your debt. I'll do my best.
Oh, that sounds interesting. Where's your house?
Funny, that's my house.
What? It's just a bunch of paper.
Well, that's how I live my life.
Mikey, I've made my decision. I'm gonna help you.
I would really appreciate it, as I can barely feel my stomach anymore.
I'll give you 1 diamond.
Is that true?
Yes, of course.
Yay! I knew there were miracles in life. I can finally eat properly.
Yay!
Thank you kindly, JJ.
Ha!
Give me that, please.
But first you have to do something for me.
What do you need?
Come on, it won't be that hard for someone like you, I'm sure. Mikey, don't you want the diamond?
No, I won't recant. I'll do whatever you want.
Cool. Here's a look. It's pretty simple. You'll have to do what you normally do.
Well, if it's a task I can handle, I'm all for it. Give me the diamond.
Nah, I'm not just gonna give it to you.
Oh,
Huh, now it's all in place.
JJ, wait, why'd you do that?
Dig through the trash, beggar.
Ouch!
Did you really think I wanted to help you? Funny. And your tears won't help you, beggar.
And I believed you.
Huh, how silly you are. That stupid boy really thought I'd help him. He's a beggar. What good is he? Huh, no use. Oh, that was a lot of fun. I'm starving myself, so I'm going to go out and get something good to eat. I'm gonna eat my fill of junk food, yay.
JJ, why are you so bad? JJ. He's already gone. I don't want to go through the garbage, but I'm afraid this is my last chance for survival. I'd like to buy something useful with this diamond, so I have no choice. Ew! Who threw away a moldy tomato? Ew! I stepped in it. I found it. That's the diamond. That's right. This suffering will pay off for me. And I have a great idea what I'm gonna buy with that diamond. I'm gonna open my own lemonade stand and make my first money. Success!
Next day. Hello again, everyone. I decided to take another ride around my town. I'm thinking of buying myself a couple of new Rolexes.
Come on over and buy some lemonade from Mikey's. A cold, delicious, and refreshing drink at a low price.
What? Is that Mikey? He was living in a dumpster yesterday. That can't be.
Lemonade, buy lemonade. Just what you need in hot weather. Oh, hey, JJ.
Hey, Mikey. Where'd you get the money for your lemonade stand? You opened it all for 1 diamond?
No, I've been saving for a long time to start my own small business.
You're a homeless beggar. You couldn't save up. You must have stolen money from someone. Okay, never mind. Pour me your lemonade quickly.
Oh, you want some of my lemonade? That'll be 10 diamonds, buddy.
What? 10 diamonds for your stinking dirty lemonade from the dump? I'd rather drink from a puddle than from you.
If you don't want it, don't buy it.
Look how many diamonds I have. 64 of them. I'd rather burn them than buy your disgusting lemonade.
Don't you have anything better to do? Don't do it.
I'll do it. That's it. Those diamonds could have been yours, but now they're gone.
Why did you do that? You know I don't have much money and you burned it.
Because I've been trolling you. You're ridiculous. You're a pauper. You stink.
Get out. You'll scare away all my clients with your pranking.
You won't have any customers. I should really get back to my business in my sports car. Goodbye, loser. It was really funny making fun of a lowlife like Mikey. How dare he not sell me his lemonade? But I don't care about him.
Maybe he's right. I have no clients at all. Nobody wants my lemonade. I probably shouldn't have opened the shop.
So today I have to sell my slime for 15 diamonds. Oh, what's this? That's worth a drink. Hey, buddy, could you pour me some of your lemonade? I'd really like to try this unusual beverage. Never sold it and don't know what it tastes like.
What? You want to buy my lemonade? It stinks and it doesn't taste good. A previous customer said some really nasty things about this shop. I'm disappointed in everything. No one needs lemonade.
Buddy, you're wrong. I want to buy your lemonade. Never give up and never give in if you don't succeed right away. Now, if you could pour me a cup of that drink.
Don't give up. You're the first person who ever believed in me. Thank you. Lemonade, yes now. I'll pour you the freshest, most delicious lemonade I have. You know, I like you. I could sell you lemonade at a discount if you came to my place more often.
Okay, buddy.
6 months later. Here I am again, one of the richest men in this town. I'm out for a walk in my high-powered car. Should I get some coffee? No, I don't want to. Oh, there's a new bank here. I think I should go inside. I want to put my money in it. It's not cool to keep everything in cash. I wonder who's rich enough to open a whole bank. I wouldn't mind meeting a rich guy like that.
So I walk up to him and I knock him out.
Oh, you're a cool guy. Hello, I want to go to your bank. Let me in.
Wait, not so fast. Do you have any money?
We don't let
Yeah, if there's no money, get out.
Oh, I don't have any money. I have diamonds. 64 grand. Look, I'm a rich guy. Can I go in now?
Yeah, I think you're rich enough for our bank. You can come in now. Sorry to bother you.
Okay, remember me? I'm the richest man here, and you're just the servants. Okay, now I need to find the owner of this bank here. I should make an interest-bearing deposit. I'm sure he knows all the smart words. Maybe he's in the vault counting his money right now.
Oh, is that a new visitor to my bank? What, JJ, what are you doing here?
Mikey, wow, you've gotten so rich in the last 6 months. You started your own bank when you started in a dumpster.
Yeah, JJ, it's my bank and my money.
Did they tear down that stand? You're such a loser, and it's not your money. I bet you work here as a janitor. The vault to mop the floors, and you're still funny.
Okay.
Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Finally, we got Godzilla! Oh my god, dude, this is sick! Oh my god! They're still in here! They're still here! Let's go! Come on, come on! Let's go! Let's go! Yo! I killed the gate 30! There's another guy! Let's go! Godzilla's 2 OP, bro! Yo, someone built a heart! Who's that? Who is that? What? It's Chun-Li! Boss resist the Gion! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Finally, we got Godzilla! Oh my god, dude, this is sick! Oh my god! They're still in here! They're still here! Let's go! Come on, come on! Let's go! Let's go! Yo! I killed the gate 30! There's another guy! Let's go! Godzilla's 2 OP, bro! Yo, someone built a heart! Who's that? Who is that? What? It's Chun-Li! Must resist the Gion! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Finally, we got Godzilla! Oh my god, dude, this is sick! Could you find a way to let me down slowly? A little sympathy, I hope you can show me. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you leave, then let me down slowly. Let me down, down, let me down, down, let me down, let me down, down, let me down, down, let me down. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you leave, baby, let me down slowly.
kicked out by my...
Wow, you're strong, man. Like, what the flip? Alright, now we gotta get to the end, but I think I lost my head doing this. Did you think that would be Speaker Man? What? You did it. You made a portal. Let's go. Alright, Speaker Man, you ready to go to the end?
Yeah, what's up?
Whoa, bro. Speaker Man, how are we going together, man? Alright, I'll just go. Okay, we're here. What the? Don't worry about boy. I'll save you.
Yeah, I don't like
No,
that.
Speaker Man, you good? Say something wrong. What happened to your arm, though? You reckon you can kill the Underwrecker with that? I guess there's only one way to find out, my boy. Where's that big fat toward head? I swear. And what's up? And you broke the pillar. We beat Minecraft, my boy. Good job.
My son, what are you looking at? Are you watching the clouds?
I'm watching the airplane flying in the sky.
Airplane? I don't see any airplane.
I'm done.
Huh? What about you? One more?
Whoa, don't get more.
Done?
Guards.
What? You wouldn't dare.
Guys, come here.
We're here, boss. You called us?
Yeah, why did you let him in?
I am
You're wrong. This man is
Mommy, can I call him?
Yeah, get him out of here. I don't want to see him around here again.
Mommy, can I call him?
No, we're gonna take you out. No, you...
Mommy, I think just doing this.
Never mind after sleep.
I did. We done English. I tried join you. I said I cannot see your face. Where's Dorothy? Join us? I did me you have the same. Look, the sword. Then you guys have. See, me you have the same sword. I don't think it's big. No, I cannot. Come, Nathan. Let me try it back up. Orty, you join us?
Hey, what's your leg? Alam ko na daw, kasi no po yun.
I can
drink all your water, son, remember.
Let's go. Auntie, you kill me. It's okay, you can kill me if you want. You said, stop that. Yay! This is mine. Over there. Yeah, look at me. Let me see you here. I just low. I saw you. Hi, do you want to join Nathan? Huh? Okay, Nathan don't have any friends. Hi, Dad, I cannot join you. I cannot join Nathan too. Okay, where is Candy? I cannot see your face. Where are you guys? Where are you guys? Bro! I see you.
It's right there, son.
Where are you guys? I saw you guys over there. Auntie, wait for me. Auntie, come. Let's go come on. She leaves. Yeah, she did leave. Come on, let's. Come on, Jan. Hey, Auntie, wait for me. Oh! Jan. Where are you guys? Ina, how about me, Nike? Wait. Okay. Me. Yay! Let's go! This is mine. Oh, here. I'll just do it, Icy. Ah! How about we get some? Who wants presents? Oh! You're messed up! I cannot! Icy, you can't. What? Whoa! Icy, I cannot go in. Okay, let me put this on. I gotta leave it. Hey! Wait. What is this? I will get it. Not this one. Hey! You want to come? Come here, boy. Let's go to... There. Come here, son. You can come here. And look. Fly. It's okay. Here, you turn off the song. I can't. Whoa. It's mine. What? It's mine. I cannot fly through. Look, this is mine. This one. Icy. Icy. It's a little circle. So then we play Roblox. mine. It's on. Here. That's mine. Okay, don't drop all the way. Okay? Here. There's a blue bottle over there. You can touch it. So you can get this bubble thing. Yeah, I get a lot of bubbles. Thank you so much. Bro, it's supposed to be up, yeah? If I get more... Auntie, what happened to you? See? Sorry. I tried to take the bubble. That's innovative. That's my bag and that's Ike bag. Ike! 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 Look! Look, Ike! This is your bed, this is my bed, this is second bed. I love you, Lisa. Ah! We gotta go show me Buddy Fire. Hi. mommy. I can't flying away. Yep, I'm coming. Peter, you join us. The what? Oh no! We need to another thing. Why don't please? Auntie! Let's go over there. Auntie, how will we go there? Huh? Stop lying. No, she didn't. No, she didn't. I cannot see your face. Artie, this you? Artie, where's your face? Artie, it's gone. Right? It's on. Come. No, no, open up. BJ, I saw you. This is not. BJ, this you? Ah! Oh, what the? What? Okay. Archie, we have to.
Right back. Damn, para sa staff, join me, nigga. I've seen. Oh shit, my bad. Alright, you know what? I'm gonna play researching quads. Quads! Damn, we use Smiley Cyrus' name, bro. Crazy. What's up, YouTube?
Check your gear and weapons. We'll be deployed.
Boy.
Yes, come here.